Hey, I want to thank the brand for sending me this dog ramp to try. It's pretty versatile. It works on a couple different kinds of vehicles. I'm going to show you how it works, but as you can clearly see, it folds up for storage here. It's got a handle here where you can carry it. And then when you're ready to open it up, that's pretty much it. Where's my clip? Here we go. So as you can see, one of these ends has a clip, and this is the end that you're going to want to have hooked on the trunk of your SUV, or if there is a hook there to hook it on, to also help secure it to the vehicle. We're going to show it in action now. So I just want to take a minute and show that this piece is versatile. You can use it to get into something much higher than this truck. But we're going to go ahead and show it in this truck, and then we'll also show it getting in the bed of the truck and how you can have it work to walk your dog up a ramp into a car as well. And then now we've got the ramp getting ready to go into the bed of a truck. We're going to show that in action. Zoe, good girl. Look at you. Okay, come over here. Back down. Let's go. Good job. So yeah, you can see it can accommodate the bed of a truck as well. Let's show it getting into a car. Okay, one feature I do want to point out is that this carabiner here can clip on to the back hook of an SUV, helping secure this into place. And then as you can see right now, we've got it on the back of the SUV. And let's show our dog using the ramp. Zoe, come on, girl. Come on. Good girl. Good job. Whoa, no, not the back seat. You ready to come down? Let's go. And it's just that easy.